Catch yourself sawing logs in your sleep? Snoring and unwelcome nighttime symphony can be a nuisance. But with 3 simple steps, you can strike the right chord for a silent night. First up, change your sleep position. Lying flat on your back may lead to a symphony of snores. Try sleeping on your side instead. It might just turn off the noise. Step 2. Keep yourself hydrated. A dry throat can amplify that snoring sound. So make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. And finally, maintain a healthy weight. Shedding a few pounds can help reduce snoring by decreasing the pressure on your throat. So remember, side sleeping, hydration, and a healthy weight. 3 steps to a quieter night. Hey, I'm new here, so I'd appreciate your support. Please follow me for more helpful tips. Peace out.